Welcome to another video on our series on CloudForms and Ansible. In this video, we will demonstrate how can we execute a playbook that provisions a whole service on Amazon by using an Ansible playbook. First, let's go to our service. We navigate to Services, Catalog, and then we will go to our Ansible demos. We will use the service Deploy Ticket Monster on AWS. When we click Submit, it goes to the queue of request. As usual, we will get the update of the request on the top right corner. Now let's track the status of the playbook we are executing. We will go to Services, My Services, and then we will go to the service we just provisioned. When we go to Provisioning, we will get the output from the playbook itself. As this is a remote execution, the first thing we need is to verify that SSH is up and running. For debugging purposes, we also add all the instance info to the output. If we scroll down, we can get the status of every task. We will add the DB instances to a group. We will also refresh the provider. We will look the instance, check all the services URL, and the most important thing, we also need to touch the VMs that we are creating with the service itself. We can verify that the tasks that need to be executed inside of each machine are being executed. We can see all the public IPs that we are accessing, all the different tasks, the status, if they are okay, what has been changed, if any task has been skipped, and so on and so forth. As you can see in the video, this is a very comprehensive playbook that covers every single aspect of our Ticket Monster application deployment. We will track the progress on all the public IPs as well as every single task we need to perform to get our application up and running, including, of course, all the prerequisites. With this playbook, we are also automating all the post-installation steps that includes database operation, configuration for the directories in the application server itself, and other steps. We will also configure the Elastic Load Balancer in Amazon for the application. We will get the play recap, in which we get the whole status, and if we go back to the top of the screen, we can check the overall status of the playbook. We can also track all the different actions that has been performed by our playbook, including the started, finished, and the elapsed time. When we go to details, we can check that all the VMs we create are already attached to the service. This is one of the parts of our playbook. Let's check the networking part. If we go to our Amazon Network Manager, we can get all the information about the relationships. Let's focus on the load balancer one. When we get into our Ticket Monster load balancer, we will get all the information about the listener as well as the health check. And if we go to the instances, we can get the instances configured with this load balancer. Now let's verify if our application is up and running. It is. We hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one and see you soon. Thank you very much.